Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. We got a quick update today on Corvette production. Not a lot of noise about this surprisingly yet. Again, I'm recording this right around midnight because tomorrow I have a supercar rally that I'm going to. Yes, C8 Corvette owners fit right in at supercar rallies between Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, and our C8 is going to be there. So hopefully I'll have some really great pictures on Instagram to share with everyone. With that said, I want to make this a relatively quick little video right now with what we have coming out of Bowling Green, and this has been confirmed by Dan Flores, who is a GM spokesperson. Due to temporary parts constraint, Bowling Green assembly will take downtime next week, the week of April 25th through the 29th, so that's the entire week. Both first and second shift are going to be offline. Supply chain, manufacturing, engineering teams are working to mitigate supplier impacts, but unfortunately right now production will resume on May 2nd. For those that have been following the GM production shortages, as you know, just at the beginning of this month, they started catching back up with the rear park assist delete issue that they've been dealing with for several weeks. Obviously, there's been a shortage in availability of the high wing, which it seems like hopefully that was going to subside. So they aren't constraining any production. They're not saying that certain orders can go in and certain can't based on options. They are shutting down the assembly plant for an entire week because of part shortages. And as many may remember, we lost a week in production for 2022 because of the tragic tornado situation that impacted the plant. And after that shutdown in March, General Motors extended the 2022 production by 1 week, pushing back 2023 production an entire week. As of right now, they have not made clear that they're going to be extending 2022 production an additional week to make up for this shutdown, but I guess it's pretty much fair to say that to deliver the allocations that they've already accounted for 2022, it's possible that May 23rd will now be the start of 2023 production. Again, that has not been confirmed. So I thought I'd just share this information in a quick, concise video. No need for me to pad it to 8 minutes. Unfortunately, there's not enough official information here for me to make this video 8 minutes, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. For those that are subscribed, this is my quick little update that we have from Bowling Green coming in hot today. As unfortunate as it is, General Motors has done a great job managing the supply shortage over the course of honestly 2021 and 2022, so a week here or there is really not bad compared to other manufacturers. So hopefully General Motors gives us some additional information over the next couple days around the impacts of this week shutdown that we're going to experience from April 25th to April 29th of 2022. That's all I got for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big old thumbs up. If you have not already, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And as always, until the very next video, I look forward to seeing all of you in the comment section below.